Yo, what is good, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing my new M3 bumper on my E90. So yeah, I ended up going the M3 route. This is just temporarily because I'm going to be doing a custom bumper very soon. I just don't know how I'm going to do it exactly yet. So just to give myself some time, I just ended up going with the M3 bumper because it's really cheap, looks alright, and I didn't want to go with the M Sport one again because I had bad luck with it. So just time to switch it up. Again, this is going to be temporarily until I start doing my custom bumper. Still kind of thinking about what I'm going to do next. So we're going to do this one. I already have the vinyl wrap right here. I have the new front bumper over there. I still have my old one on. Need to take it off, and then we should be good. So I'm going to take this thing off, and then we're going to install that one, and then we're going to vinyl wrap it on here installed because I think it's going to be easier like that. So I'm going to jack up the car, take off both wheels from the front. That way the vinyl's not sticking to that side, and then install the bumper, and then just start wrapping this thing. So the bumper's over here. Looks pretty nice. Looks like everything's all right. So yeah, we're gonna take off the M Sport bumper right now, jack this thing up, and then go from there. Alright guys, got the car on jack stands. Now I'm going to take off the bumper real quick. I think I only have it held on by like 3 screws because this one broke off. We just have 3 right here, and then we have 1 on this side, and then the other side is already loose, as you can see. So go ahead and take this off. Hope this is the right one. Boom. There we go. And now the bumper should be free. Just like that. We don't need this junk anymore, so we can just throw it over there. Get the new one. Alright guys, so just a quick little update. We got the knifeless tape on so we can make like those perfect cuts. So now I'm gonna lay the vinyl real quick and get these fog light housings all wrapped up. And like I said, I don't think I'm gonna lay any vinyl right here, so I'm just gonna do it in 3 pieces, one right there, then just lay one over. Alright guys, so we got that inlay done. It didn't come out as good as I wanted it to, but I think it's gonna work. So I'm just gonna leave it like that because there is gonna be a bigger piece going over it, so you probably won't be able to notice it. Got this side done. As you see, this one came out a lot better than that one. So just gonna leave it like that. If I have any issues, I'll just put one over it. And now I'm gonna do actually the centerpiece because I'd rather play it safe. So I'm just gonna put a centerpiece on it. Just cover this this whole edge, and then just fold it underneath with the last sheet of vinyl that I'm gonna put over it. So just one piece right here, covering all of this. That way I don't have to fold too much because I'm gonna have to fold inwards over here, and there's gonna be too much tension. So I'm just gonna do one piece right here, and I think we should be ready for the final sheet. So let's see how it goes. Alright you guys, it's a few days later now, and that day I ended up just redoing one of the inlays on the bumper, which was the left side, the one that didn't come out that good, the one that I said that I wasn't going to redo, but I ended up redoing it just because I want the thing to look perfect. So I ended up redoing it. It came out identical to the other side that came out pretty good. So all the inlays are taken care of, and it's ready for that final piece. That day as well, I went to go pick up my my M-Tech rear bumper, which is why I pretty much didn't finish wrapping the bumper because I got sidetracked with that. But I had to go pick it up at a bus station for some reason because I guess they couldn't ship it to my house. Maybe the package was too big, but it's weird because like they shipped my front bumper but not my rear bumper, and I think it was ordered from like the same company. So I just had to go to a bus station to pick it up, and then yeah, it took a while. So that was that. And then that night I ended up getting sick, which is why I'm like this right now, and I didn't feel good I guess until today. I mean, I'm still kind of sick, but I want to finish this thing because Fest is in like 4 weeks, and I still have a lot of work to do. I have to wrap my rear bumper, my front bumper, my passenger side door, my fender. I need to fix my hood. It has all those dents and stuff, so there's a lot of things that I need to do to this car before it's like, I guess you can say, show ready. So I need to start working on it quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay the final piece on this bumper today, and hopefully it comes out good. So before that, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the inlays so you guys can see what it looks like. So here's the side that I redid. Came out pretty good. There's the middle piece, came out pretty good as well. And then we have the other side that came out good. So now it's just ready for that final piece. I'm gonna go ahead and sand it down with 2000 grit, and then just hit it with the air compressor real quick, knock off any dust or particles. That way we have a clean surface to work with, and then we should be ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and move my car right now, actually, because I have it reversed in my driveway. So I'm gonna put it forward, put it on jacks like how I had it, and remove my front bumper that I have on it right now, and then lay the final piece on it, and hopefully I pray that it comes out good, because the bumpers are really difficult to work with. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now, guys. Bumpers now mounted. We got the material all cut up, ready to go. I went ahead and sanded down the bumper with 2000 grit sandpaper, as well as I cleaned my fenders, my headlights, so I don't have any debris of any kind getting onto the vinyl wrap. So we have a fresh bumper with no debris inside of it, all that good stuff. So it's pretty much good to go. Set you guys up on tripod and show you guys the procedure.
Invincible.
Alright guys, so I just realized that the camera stopped recording, so I don't know how much of this got recorded, but I got this side done finally. Took forever, probably like about an hour just on this side. So imagine just the whole thing. It's gonna take a long time, so I'm probably not gonna be able to film the whole thing. So I'm probably just gonna start working this off camera and then just give you guys updates as I go if I can, because my camera's about to die. It's at like 20% now, so I'm gonna keep working it, and it's coming out so pretty good so far. So I'm just gonna keep working it and see how far I get today. Hopefully I'll be able to finish, because it's very time consuming. You gotta be very careful. I messed up a little bit there, but it came out pretty good. Like, you can't really see any of the flaws from here, but if you really look close, there's like some flaws, but nonetheless came out pretty good. You know, it's a bumper, it's pretty difficult, but yeah, I'm gonna keep working it, guys, and then give you guys some updates. All right guys, here's a little update. We got the middle one taken care of, as well as this inlay, and now I'm just working it around on this side, trying to get this side all covered up. And as soon as we get this taken care of, we're gonna take off the bumper, and then we're gonna work the headlights as well as the kidney grills. And then also before that, we're gonna tuck this underneath. That way all this is all done, and then we can just take off everything, get the headlights taken care of, kidney grills taken care of, and then we can put the bumper back on and it'll be complete. So go ahead and do that now, and then I'll pick it up. All right guys, bumper is done. It is now 12:38 a.m. So like 5 to 6 hours later, this thing's finally done. So the bumper probably took like 10 hours in total with all the inlay work and all that stuff. Finally it's complete. Didn't come out like the greatest, but it came out okay. Like on the inlays, I ended up ripping like these parts right here. It probably won't be too noticeable, but I'll just patch them up. Same with the other side, just a little bit. And then on the headlight part, I put a hole in it. There was way too much tension, I couldn't tuck it in, and I put a hole in it with the heat gun because I was trying to overstretch it. Same with the other side, so I ended up patching it up, but again, that's probably not going to be too noticeable. I'll probably do like a better patch. I should have done an inlay on all of this, and I would have avoided all of this. So for future references, if you guys are wrapping your bumper or plan on doing so, do an inlay on this and it'll come out perfect. So yeah guys, bumper looks pretty good. Can't wait to install it. I still need to tuck everything in. I still have a lot of excess vinyl, so I'm gonna be doing that tomorrow because I'm already tired. I've been doing this for like 5-6 hours. I still have to put my car back together, so yeah, I'm not gonna be done here till like 1:30 a.m. so I'm gonna end it right here, pick it up tomorrow, we'll install it, get some shots of it of course, and we'll see what it looks like. So see you guys then. Alright, what up guys, it is day 3 now. I know this video has been all over the place, so I apologize for that. I didn't know I was gonna extend it this long, but I guess this is what happens when you wrap a bumper. But anyways, yeah, I ended up finishing the bumper this morning. I just needed to tuck all the vinyl and just cut all the excess vinyl off, and then that was about it. And then I just installed it, painted my Kenny Girls gloss black. So I'm going to show you guys the car so you guys can actually see what it looks like. So here it is. We have my new front bumper installed. We have my Kenny Girls right there, gloss black. And as you see, I don't have any fog lights right now, and that's because I don't know how to install the fog lights on this bumper. Like, it's weird. They give you like 8 screws, and I only know where like 4 of the screws go, and that's to hold those little grills intact. And the rest, I have no idea where they go. I was trying for like an hour, and I just gave up. So I was like, screw it, whatever. My fog light wire isn't even there, so I'll just go with the fog light delete. So I'm just gonna order like some air ducts or something to cover those holes, and that way it'll look like it's 100% complete, because it looks like something's missing with those holes right there. So that was the only reason I wanted to install the fog lights on the bottom right there, but I guess not. So car looks pretty good. I mean, this is not my favorite bumper because everybody has it, but I mean, it looks pretty good. It's just gonna work for the meantime. I'm gonna do a custom bumper very soon, or I'm planning on getting my M Sport bumper back because I think it's fixable. I think there's shops that can fix it, so I'm gonna reach out to a couple shops, see what they say. If they want to fix it, then we'll get it fixed, and then we'll wrap it and then put it back on the car, because that's like my favorite bumper. But I just didn't want to get it again because I thought it was bad luck. But alright guys, I'm gonna be ending the video right here. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you guys slap that thumbs up for me. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. Tomorrow we're gonna be working on the rear bumper. Gonna be installing the N-Tech rear, and then we're gonna be wrapping that thing as well. So I'm gonna have a video on it. I'll try to not make it as extended as this one, because I know this one's been all over the place. It's been like 3 days or whatever, but we got it done. That's what matters. Like 10 hours worth of work went into that. So make sure you guys leave a like for me, because that thing took forever. But yeah, what else was I gonna say? Oh, my custom headlights are gonna be mailed out to Arizona. So I'm gonna mail out my original headlights out to Arizona to have them custom black house, upgraded LED angel eyes, because the guy that I was talking to here locally just kept flaking on me. I would DM him. Sometimes he would respond, other times he wouldn't. So he just kept flaking on me, and I was talking to him for like 2 weeks and nothing ever happened. So I'm just gonna have them mailed out to Arizona. I already reached out to this guy. He's already willing to do it, and we already set a date for it. So I'm just gonna have them mailed out on Monday, and I'm not gonna have my car for like 2 weeks. I mean, I'm gonna have my car, but it's not gonna have headlights, so I can't drive it. So I just technically don't have my car, I guess. But it's all good. It's gonna be worth the wait. It's gonna sit off the whole front end. It's gonna look really dope. So make sure you guys are on the lookout for that. And that is about it for this video. Again, guys, make sure you guys slap that thumbs up for me, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Later, guys.